In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom indicator in MetaTrader 5. If you've downloaded an indicator from a website, a trading community, or a developer, the process of adding it into MetaTrader 5 is actually very straightforward once you know where the platform stores indicator files. I'll walk you through the full setup so you can get your custom indicator into the platform and ready to use on your chart. Before opening MetaTrader 5, make sure you already have the custom indicator file downloaded to your computer. In most cases, the file will end with either a .mq5 or .ex5 extension. Those are the common file types used for MetaTrader 5 indicators. It's a good idea to know where the file was saved, such as your downloads folder or desktop, so you can quickly find it in the next step. Once you have the file ready, go ahead and launch MetaTrader 5. When the platform opens, look to the top left corner and click File. From that menu, select Open Data Folder. This is an important step because it takes you directly to the folder location that MetaTrader 5 uses for its data, including custom indicators, scripts, and expert advisors. Using the data folder helps ensure you place the file in the correct location. A File Explorer window will then appear. Inside that window, double-click the MQL5 folder to open it. After that, open the Indicators folder. This is the exact folder where MetaTrader 5 looks for indicator files. So anything you want to install manually needs to go here. Now copy your custom indicator file and paste it into the indicators folder. If you plan to use several custom indicators, you can also create subfolders here to keep everything organized. That can be especially helpful if you like separating indicators by strategy, type, or source. Organization isn't required, but it makes things much easier later when your library starts to grow. Once the file has been pasted into the indicators folder, return to MetaTrader 5 and refresh the platform so it detects the new indicator. After refreshing, locate the indicator in the Navigator or Indicators section, then apply it to the chart you want to use. At that point, the indicator should load and become visible on your chart. And that's it. As long as the file is in the correct folder and the platform has been refreshed, your custom indicator should be ready to use in MetaTrader 5.